Okay, it's Box Graders, Walt. We're going to do a couple of Upper Deck Sweet Spot signatures. 2 boxes here. See how these work out. Just gonna need a sharper knife. There's some serious plastic on there. Okay, try a couple of these out. Okay, first base card, Alex Reyes. We've got a jersey here, Brian Roberts. It's actually, interestingly, a stained jersey, it looks like. It looks like he might have did some sliding with that one. Well, we're going to have a piece of glove, Brandon Wood, the Angels, 49/75. We've got our rookie card, Matt Chico helmet, and the Sweet Swatch, Francisco Liriano. Let's see, this is not going to be numbered. Looks like the only numbered one is going to be the signature. Okay, we're going to try the other box here. Put these to the side. Hopefully I can open this one a little bit easier. This product is about $65 a box in a sports shop. Put this one here. Okay, a base, Manny. Another nice Manny card. I've been getting a lot of these. This one's actually numbered 641/850. It's a big number. 580/850, Roger Clemens. We've got Jake Peavy, the Padres uniform. So it's going to be the multicolored 15/15. So that's going to be a lower numbered card, so that's good. Brian Bruni, for you Yankee fans out there. Not me particularly, but Billy Butler, rookie card, not going to be numbered. And then Francisco Liriano, got a swatch, little piece of patch there, little shirt jersey. Well, it looks like the best hit of these 2 boxes is going to be the Bruni. It looks like a nice sign in pink. So, okay, we'll be opening a couple more boxes here in a second.